Hi, my name is Enzo Minarro. I'm a French concept artist based in Canada. I've been working in the animation and video game industry for the past 5 years, specializing in environment concept art and 2D matte painting. My concept art course is now available on wingfox.com. It features 44 hours of content across more than 170 videos. In this course, I'll share my workflow and design thought process with you. We'll dive into a personal project inspired by my passion for dinosaurs, architecture, and storytelling. I'll guide you through blending 2D and 3D techniques in Photoshop and Blender, covering everything from reference gathering and grayscale sketching to fully rendered images and detailed 3D scene. To me, taking inspiration from real life and your own experiences is essential in creating authentic designs. Whether it's through travel, books, or everyday observations, incorporating personal references into your work makes it unique and more believable. I'll show you how to apply this by bringing more personal elements into your creative process. My goal is to help you create immersive, story-driven designs and coherent worlds. If you're a dinosaur enthusiast, you'll love this course. I've dedicated an entire chapter to creating a dinosaur from scratch in Blender, covering sculpting, painting, rigging, and posing it into your scene. I'm thrilled to partner with Wingfox for this tutorial. Be sure to follow and stay tuned for updates. I can't wait to see what you create.